Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the Eurjpy, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, the trend is definitely up. There's not one time this whole way up that we thought that the trend had turned down. We still do not even have a break of structure to the downside, as you can see. Our most recent structure on the daily is right here. My next Fibonacci retracement level for the weekly time frame is all the way up here above the 180 area. So I am definitely still very, very bullish. If it goes up and makes a new high, then I'll move my structure to here. But as long as it just keeps on making higher lows, then I'm just going to continue to look for longs on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour, our most recent structure on the 1 hour to 2 hour time frame is right here. If it takes out that low, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. Otherwise, even if it does go down, as long as it doesn't take out that low, anything I see to the downside, I will definitely be looking at as nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend and possibly nothing more than an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So the trend is your friend. As long as it doesn't break structure, we're definitely going to primarily only looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.